First, open your browser and press the 9 dots. Go to Google Drive. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account. Once Google Drive opens, look at the top left corner and click the New button. From the menu that appears, move your cursor to Google Forms. This will open a new Google form where you can start creating your feedback form. At the top, you'll see Untitled Form. Click on it and rename your form. For example, you can type Feedback Form or Customer Feedback Form. Below the title, you can add a short description explaining what the form is about, such as, "Please share your feedback about our service. Your response helps us improve our service." Now, let's add questions to collect feedback. The first question might be Name. Click on Untitled Question and type your name. You can keep the answer type as Short Answer. Next, add another question. For example, how would you rate our service? Change the question type to linear scale or multiple choice and give rating options like 1 to 5, where 1 is poor and 5 is excellent. You can also add more questions, such as, what did you like about our service? What improvements would you suggest? Would you recommend our service to others? To add a new question, simply click the plus icon on the right side. If a question is important, make sure to turn on the Required toggle so users must answer it before submitting the form. After adding all your questions, you can preview the form by clicking the eye icon at the top. This shows exactly how users will see your feedback form. When everything looks good, click the Publish button. From here, you can share the form by email, link, or even embed it on a website. Now, people can open the form, submit their feedback, and all responses will automatically be saved in Google Forms or a connected Google Sheet. And that's how you can easily create a Google feedback form to collect responses online. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.